So everything we will use in this course via Burpsuit. So you have to learn Burpsuit first, how to use Burpsuit. So see how Burpsuit work. Let's talk about that first. So this is a browser. If I'm browsing bing.com, okay, let's browse hackersera.com. Okay, so hackersera.com is browsing without anything. So I'll make it in two part to teach you in a good way. Okay, so see this now. Yes, and I will do this there. See, this is a browser, this is a Burpsuit. Yes, so if see now, if you want to visit any page, let's just it's visiting. Okay, no problem, it's working now. So first step is you have to set proxy. See, Burpsuit having a proxy tab, options. There will be the listener, proxy listener. So you have to set this proxy listener, and this should be tick. Okay, you have to set this proxy listener in browser, Firefox, preferences, network, settings, manual proxy 127.0.0.1.8080, and tick on this. Use this proxy server for all protocols, for HTTPS, SSL, FTP, anything. Okay, so you can intercept all those requests there. Now there is a target tab. Target tab will list out everything, will requesting from browser to server. It will list out all the server there. You can also filter this by clicking this show only in scope items. There is no scope, so you can just delete. Now there is a proxy also. There is an intercept tab. Right now intercept is off, so that's why you are browsing anything and it's just loading there. But if intercept will be on, and if you will visit any page, let's say I'm visiting workshops, it will first, okay, because of the cache it's not coming there. Okay, let's reloading. Okay, it will first come on the Burpsuit, and then you can, if you will drop this, the request will be dropped here. Let's intercept one more time. If you will forward this, the request will be go to the server end. Now if you will make intercept is on, off, so request is generating but through background, it's not intercepting. Okay, it's just going through the Burpsuit to the server. Now see, if I'm just okay, see this. Now if I right click, send this to spider, we'll see this spider concept later on. Okay, now see, but right now I'm browsing google.com. I want to browse google.com. okay, the HTTPS website. You cannot browse any HTTPS website right now. Why? Because Burpsuit by default doesn't allow any HTTPS website to load through the Burpsuit because of the certificate. So steps is very simple to configure. Okay, steps to configure Burpsuit is very simple. You have to use first, go to http://burp, download CA certificate. Third, after certificate, go to browser, options or preferences, whatever, preferences or options. After that you can go to certificate. There you can find the view certificate. After that you can go for what, import, and then import the certificates. After that, trust all certificate issues. So what that is, let's try this now. So I'll go to http://burp, download CA certificate. I downloaded this. Now Firefox, preferences, certificates. There is a view certificates. There is an import button. Now I'll import certificate there, and they are saying trust this certificate, so I'll trust. Now okay, now you can browse any HTTPS website also there. See this? So this way we have configured the HTTPS, Burpsuit with HTTPS. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session later on.